In the last few weeks, more and more people have started using artificial intelligence to make extra money through side jobs. One of the main tools they were using, called Midjourney, used to be free but now requires payment. As a result, people are searching for new artificial intelligence tools that can give them similar results. After searching extensively, I believe I have finally discovered exactly what we've been looking for. Let me introduce you to Leonardo.ai. This artificial intelligence has recently been updated and has the abilities to compete with tools like Midjourney. The best part is, you don't need a payment plan to use your images for commercial purposes. While there might be a learning curve, especially if you're new and working on a tight budget, Leonardo.ai is definitely worth exploring. In the following video, I will walk you through the features of Leonardo.ai that convinced me to switch from Midjourney. Additionally, I'll share some business ideas that utilize this AI to potentially generate passive income. First, I'll explain how you can access Leonardo. To get started, go to their website and click on Get Early Access at the top right corner. Enter your email and you'll be redirected to a thank you page, where you'll be asked to join their Discord server. However, having a Discord account is not necessary. Since Leonardo's generation happens on the web, you can skip this step by visiting the second link in the description. There, you'll find a form to fill in for whitelist acceptance. But currently, the whitelisting process may not be working correctly, and you can still use the app without being whitelisted. To do this, return to the main site, click on Launch App at the top right, and if it says yes, I'm whitelisted, you can proceed. You'll be redirected to the Leonardo homepage, or as I like to call it, the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can explore past creations made using Leonardo. These artworks are of high quality, often surpassing what you can achieve with Midjourney. What's great is that you can see the prompt and all the settings used to generate each image. You can also view different stages or versions of the artwork, some of which even offer transparent backgrounds. This means you can generate images without worrying about removing the background later. One of my favorite aspects of Leonardo is that you can use the images commercially without any additional charges. This sets it apart from Midjourney, which requires a monthly payment of $8 to gain commercial rights. Leonardo, like other image generating tools, uses a token-based system. Initially, I was unsure about this, but I discovered that you receive 150 tokens that reset every 24 hours. In other words, you can generate up to 150 images every day, which is more than enough. If you're a game developer in need of textures, Leonardo has a dedicated section just for that. You can upload a .obj file and generate textures using prompts, but that's a topic for another video. Now, let's focus on the features for generating images. Go to the AI Generation Tool page. Here, you'll find various options to explore. Firstly, there's a box where you can input your prompt. The more detailed the prompt, the more accurate the result will be. On the left side, you have interesting options that may not be available with Midjourney's free plan. You can choose the number of images to generate per prompt, with the default set to 4. The image dimensions recommended are 1024 by 1024 for better results. Next, you have the guidance scale, which determines the weight or restriction of your prompt. A lower level allows more creativity, while a higher level follows the prompt more strictly. Experiment with levels around 7 to find what suits your needs best. There's also a tiling option, useful for creating repeating patterns or backgrounds. This can be beneficial for various purposes, including certain business models we'll discuss later. Lastly, there are two options, image to image and image prompt. The first option generates a new image using an uploaded image, while the second option tries to find a prompt that would produce a similar image to the one you uploaded. These features have convinced me that Leonardo is more effective and a superior alternative to Midjourney. Now, let's apply these features and discuss potential business models that can generate passive income online. In order to explore these methods, we will be utilizing Etsy. Etsy is an online platform where individuals can sell both digital and physical products. It's straightforward to set up an account and start selling. If you would like a tutorial on how to begin selling on Etsy, please let me know in the comments section below. Now, let's delve into the first business model, which involves selling products with patterns on platforms like Etsy. To begin with, you'll need to create a pattern using Leonardo. Choose the tiling method and specify the details of the pattern you desire. For instance, you might want a repeating tiling pattern with elements like blue water waves splashing on a beach, vintage style, resembling an oil painting, or perhaps a digital art style. By selecting the tiling option and providing the appropriate prompt, you'll generate incredible patterns. Now, let's upscale these patterns and explore how we can utilize them for selling on Etsy. To begin, go to Printify, a print-on-demand website that allows you to upload your digital image and have it printed on their products for selling. The best part is that Printify takes care of packaging and shipping the product to your customer, requiring minimal effort from you. Let's explore how to use this platform. We'll start with a pillow as an example. Click on the pillow product and choose Start Designing. Retrieve your image from Leonardo and select Create Pattern. This will duplicate your image infinitely or continuously. Once done, position the pattern on your product as you desire. When finished, click on Preview. You can apply this method to various other products like shower curtains, shoes, shorts, and much more. Since you're only responsible for creating the designs and uploading them on Etsy, while Printify handles the rest, this is one of the easiest side hustles to start in 2023. Another idea we can explore is selling watercolor cartoon dogs in the form of posters with their respective breeds listed below them. This method requires more time and a basic understanding of design, but it can be highly rewarding. Some shops on Etsy have earned over €20,000 from 5,000 sales of these products, which are currently in high demand. Here's how you can get started. 1. Begin by finding a list of dog breeds you want to work with. I suggest starting with batches of 10 breeds initially, and as you become more experienced, you can increase the number of breeds per listing. 2. Once you have the list of 10 dog breeds, create the designs using Leonardo. To conserve your tokens, generate 2 images at a time instead of 4. For the settings, use dimensions of 1024 by 1024 and select the custom model. You can find it by clicking on the button and navigating to Custom Model, Platform Models, and then locating the Cute and Little Characters category. 3. Use a prompt sticker such as Happy Colorful Puppy Golden Retriever and Gay Contour Vector-Wise Background. The sticker option gives the impression of a sticker and makes it easier to remove the background later on. Repeat this step for the remaining 3 images. 4. Click on Generate and wait for about 20 seconds for the images to be created. Leonardo's service is not as crowded as Midjourney, so it is faster. 5. Once the images are generated, you can remove the background by selecting an image and clicking the corresponding button. I will explain how to do this using a built-in feature of Leonardo shortly. 6. Create 9 more sets of images until you have a Google Doc filled with them. To simplify the process, I provide a free template in the video description. Replace the images in the Google Doc with yours and update the text with the appropriate dog breed names. This will help you get started and guide you in creating your own listings. 7. Finally, post these listings on Etsy and potentially generate some passive income, just like the methods we've discussed previously. If you found this video helpful and are considering using Leonardo instead of Midjourney, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this in the future.